We are going to look at median. What is a median? A median is the midpoint of your data set. This is the idea. If you have uneven number of data set, I'm sorry, let me backtrack. Let's say you are looking at a data set. You have been given some numbers, and you look at how many numbers you have in that data set. If you have odd numbers, it's a little easier to find the midpoint. If you have even number, then it's a little different. So what is your job? As soon as you look at that data set, your job is to write that data set or rearrange that data set in an ascending order or descending order. So let's just do an example. Okay, let's look at this table where we have sex, age, education, religion, GPA, and performance evaluation test score. And we always try to make, we try to make our life a whole lot easier, right? So what is the best thing we can look at? Education. Easiest one to look. So we have the information for 10 people, and first thing we need to do is we need to rearrange or rewrite that data set in ascending or descending order. So this is what we do. It starts with 12. How many 12s we have? 1, 2, 3. Next one is 14. Next one is 16. How many 16? 4. 4 16s. And 122, right?
18.
Oh, sorry. So this is how we rewrite this data in the ascending or descending order. Okay, now what do we have to do? The formula for median, when you have this kind of situation, n plus 1 divided by 2. What is n? N meaning how many of these numbers you have been given? We have 10. So if you put this median for this situation will be n plus 1 divided by 2, that is 5.5. What does this 5.5 means? It means that when you look for the median for this data set, you have to look into the fifth data set, the fifth one, the fifth number, and the sixth number. Why? Because that median lies between the fifth and the sixth is 5.5. So what is the fifth number we have? 16, that's the fifth number, and this is the sixth number. So theoretically speaking, you will add them up, the fifth number, add the sixth number, divided it by 2. So now we know what is the median for this education. The median for education will be, then this is the statement you have to write. See, once you do a calculation and you figure out the answer, you have to write a statement, always. That statement is important for the reader who is looking at your stuff. So you will write, the median for the median of education is 16 years. And before that one, you have to show this calculation, because if you are adding the 5th value and the 6th value, so you will write median is, what is the abbreviation? ND. Yep. That's all. That's all you have to show. So you, first thing over here, you are showing where this median is lying, where you can find this median. That's where you are showing this. So if we have, let's assume we have 12. Instead of 10, we have 12. Then your median will be 6.5. Meaning you have to look for the 6th number and the 7th number. Then you add them up, divide them by 2. So it varies depending on n. N stands for how many numbers you have been given in the data set. You're good? Okay.